Welcome to the Moodle Quiz Training Series video number 7, Importing Questions Using the GIFT Format. Building your questions in GIFT format allows you to type out your questions all at once instead of building each question one at a time inside the browser. The types of questions I will cover in this video will be multiple choice, true-false, matching, short answer, essay, and description. So let's get started by opening up a text editor. If you're in a Windows environment, you can open up Notepad or Notepad++. If you're running an Apple, you can open up TextEdit. I'm going to open up Notepad++. Here's a blank document. So let's go over first the different types of symbols you will see while using GIFT format. With each type of question, we can add a comment. Now this comment won't be imported into Moodle. However, when you're looking through your GIFT questions, it's a nice little place to enter in kind of notes and some comments. So anytime you want to make a comment, it's 2 forward slashes and anything you type on this line. Next, we'll have to enter in a Moodle question title. You may remember the title only appears on question banks. And you can begin typing a title by doing double colons and then typing the title. And then once you're done with typing the title, another set of double colons. After the double colons, you'll type out text. Now, this text will be the question text and what will appear on the quiz when students take the quiz. This is my question text. Okay, and now how do we format for the questions? Well, we'll have to do by clicking on the keyboard the open squiggly bracket. And then when we finish the question, we'll close it with a close squiggly bracket. Okay, so now that we have the basics down, let's go ahead and create our document. Now, like in any Moodle quiz, what we need to do is create a category first. And to create any kind of category while using GIFT, you have to hold down Shift and press 4, which gives us the $sign. Then in all caps, type in category, colon, space, and whatever you'd like to put. Since this will be general knowledge quiz number 2, I'm going to type such. Now that we have a category, let's go ahead and start building our questions. The first question I will be creating is a multiple choice question. Now let's see here, and let's just build out an example question first with some example content. So I'm going to add a comment. Say this is only a comment. Alright, now to begin the question title, we know it's double colons and then the question title. Another set of double colons, and then this is the question text. Now, as you notice, I put an extra space here. We're not supposed to do that, so let's go ahead and do that. And I'll use a number system just like I did in the previous videos. And finally, I'm going to open it with a squiggly bracket, and each option is given a tilde. So option 1, option 2, option 3, and finally option 4. And then we'll close the squiggly bracket. Now, the tildes mean it's a wrong answer. However, if you would like to put in a correct answer, you can get rid of a tilde and put in an equal sign. And that is how you build a multiple choice question. So what is the question we're going to put in? Now first, we're going to change the title here to 01, and I'm going to type in the question. Who is the father of geometry? And now since I have that here, I'm going to go ahead and place that. I need to make sure not to include a number within the question text. I don't want that to appear on the quiz itself. And now for the options, Aristotle. The correct answer is Euclid. Third option is this name. The fourth option is Kepler. But we see that B would be the correct answer. And we don't need the comment, so this is a multiple choice question. Okay, so that's creating a multiple choice question. Now, what about true and false? Well, I can tell you that true and false is very easy to create. Once again, we're putting a comment in here and say this is a true, false question. The question title starts off first, and since this is the second question, the question is, Galileo invented the thermometer. Is that true or false? And with a double colon and type that out again, except I'm just going to copy and paste here. And then open the squiggly bracket, and instead of entering tildes and equals, I'll just state if the answer is true or false. And in this case, the answer is false. All right, so that's true and false. Let's do a matching question now. Matching question. And the question title, this is 03, and the question title is match the Disney prince to the corresponding Disney princess. And open that up with a squiggly bracket and press enter twice. I like to go ahead and enter in the close bracket so we won't forget it. This is going to be a little different. Like the multiple choice, I'm going to start off with an equal sign and type in a prince. And now, to show what Prince Eric matches to, space, hyphen, greater than sign to make an arrow, and I'm going to type in Princess Ariel. The same thing for the next one, equals Prince Adam, and that's Belle. Prince Adam would be the beast in Disney folklore. And finally, Aladdin, which I know is not a Disney prince, at least at the beginning of the film. I can add in more choices as well. And to do that, I type in equals, space, hyphen, greater than symbol. So this does not have an answer tied with it, so it's just an extra term. And then Rapunzel. Now I'm going to type in more choices. Okay, so that's creating a matching question. Let's go ahead and now create a short answer question. Okay, question title, double colon, 2 plus 2 equals... All right, so I'm going to copy this. This needs to be the fourth question. And 2 plus 2 equals, and the answer will be 4. Or if you'd like to put in more options in which, you know, if this is case sensitive, or in terms of this, I could create a numerical question. However, I'm just using this as a short answer. I can type also will accept the number 4 as well, and close squiggly bracket. Next will be the essay. The essay question will be indicate a person who has had a significant influence on you and describe that influence. And this is the fifth question we're going to create here. So make sure the title is surrounded by double colons, and paste the question again, open bracket. And the best part about this, it's open bracket and then close bracket. Since this is an essay, there's no right answer. You just have to grade them on what they type. And finally, we're going to enter in a description question just in case you may need it. So this is a description question. Double colon, and the description is: a series of questions are provided below. Please read each carefully before answering. Good luck. And this will be used as the first question here. Now, let me go ahead and do a double colon and paste it again. And that's all we need for that. So now that we have our gift format finished, let's go ahead and save. And I'll go ahead and save that to my desktop as gift tutorial. And make sure I save it as a TXT. Click save. Now, when you go to save this, this needs to be in UTF-8. And the reason why I say that is there are sometimes when you're in Word, and let's say you copy questions from Word to a notepad, your quotes will be curved. Well, that's not necessarily good for Moodle because that messes with the code of the page. So what we're going to do is either do a search and replace and just put, regular quotes, which is just straight down, replacing the curved from Word. So let's go ahead, now that we saved it, and let's go back to our Moodle here, and I'm going to go down to Question Bank, then Import. From the file formats, I'm going to click on Gift Format here, and then drag and drop the gift tutorial.txt up into this box. And now I'm going to click on Import. As you can see, everything loaded just fine. Imported 6 questions from the file. Now, if you have any errors, you can go back and you can make changes and try it again. Now that they're entered, let's go ahead and click on Continue. And we can see under our category that we have at the very top of the gift tutorial all the questions that have been imported. In this video, I showed you how to create questions using the gift format and then import it into Moodle.